Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making pollo en fricase. It's a highly requested video and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have my chicken cutlet, I have parsley flakes, my chicken Knorr cube, a pack of sazon, some garlic powder, some peeled garlic, homemade sofrito, I have some carrots, a small onion, a potato, I have onion powder, green olives, red wine, black pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, a can of tomato sauce, adobo, water, and cilantro. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to come and do is just open my pack of meat and we're going to come and we're going to clean it, okay? Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chop up my carrots, my onion, and my potatoes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that this is chopped up, what I'm going to come and do is come with my bouillon and I'm going to add my garlic and we're just going to mash it, okay? Now that my garlic is mashed, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my flames on low and I'm going to add my olive oil. I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Now I'm going to add my onions, and my garlic. Okay, and we're gonna give this a good stir. Now I'm gonna add my sofrito. I'm also going to add my onion powder, my garlic powder, my parsley, my sazon, and my black pepper. I'm also going to add my can of tomato sauce, okay? Now I'm going to raise the flames to like a medium and we're going to mix everything. Okay, and again I will have the amount I'm using and the ingredients. Okay, so we're going to let this simmer for like 15 seconds. Now that that's simmering, I'm going to add my adobo and we're going to mix again. Okay. And it smells so good, guys. I know I say that with everything, but it's true. It's really, really, really good. Now we're gonna mix it one more time. And I'm gonna add my chicken to this, okay? This is the chicken with the bone. I'm just gonna add it like this. And I'm going to cover this for like 2 minutes. Okay, so this has been simmering for 2 minutes. What I'm going to do is just flip it. Okay, and the reason I do this is because I want it to catch all that flavor. Okay, even though when you add the water and the wine, it's going to still catch it. But to me, this gives it a better taste. Okay, so now we're going to let this sit for 2 minutes covered as well. Okay. Okay guys, now that it's been enough 2 minutes, what I'm gonna come and do is add our red wine. Okay. Once you add it, you want to move it around because you want it to go under. Okay. And I'm also and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Just like this. So now we're gonna come in, we're gonna cover this for half an hour, 30 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes. Look at how good that looks. So what I'm gonna do now is add my chicken bouillon. barbecue. I'm gonna add it in there. I'm also going to add my potatoes. Okay. My carrots. My green olives. And my cilantro. Now I'm gonna lower my flames to a low, medium low, but more low. And I'm gonna mix everything, okay? We're not gonna add any more water to this or anything, okay? Because as it's closed, it produces water, okay? So once you got it mixed like this, we're gonna completely cover it again and leave it for another half an hour. Okay guys, so look at that. This is done. It smells so good. What I'm gonna do is just turn off the flames, give it a nice stir. See that? And I'm gonna serve. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Look at how pretty it looks. I want to thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share to your friends and family. If you guys have any requests that you would like to see next, please let me know in the comments below. And I will have the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description as well. And like always, have a blessed day. Enjoy.